All right, I just woke up and I wanted something really sweet, so I ordered from the Salty in Miami. And this is the donuts that we got. Right here we have Nutella Crunch. This one looks really good. I'm gonna just try them all as I'm going through them, because this one looks really good. Very Nutella-y. This one's pistachio. Oh, very cute. I don't really like pistachio, but we're gonna give it a try. That one's actually really good. Very messy though. This is a cinnamon cereal milk coffee that I got too. It's really good. This next one that we have, this is apple cinnamon roll. It's really cute. I'm gonna take it. It's okay. I don't like that one. Next one I'm trying, this one is cinnamon sugar, I think. This one just tastes like a churro. Oh my God, look at this. Look at all the sugar right here. Last but not least, this one looks like it's gonna be the best one. This is Cookie Monster. Yeah.